Hey, hey, we are live, we are back with a bang. Talking crypto, blockchain, investing, trading, everything that you want to know about the financial market, everything that you want to learn about what's happening in the space, what's moving on in the space, what's transpiring in the space. You find it here. We are live, guys. Please share this live broadcast to everyone. We are back as usual with all the good news. Stony, how are you, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. We are, like you said, we are back to the show, Empire Crypto TV. How is our listeners? It's been a long time. Live shows.
Are you still surviving the buyer market? Are you still there? Are you still alive? What's your pocket like?
Not too many people are surviving the bear market, but if you are someone experienced, you are able to switch on to other markets and take opportunity and advantage. But now, if you don't have so much experience in the market, you will stay in the one market and watch the bear market eat you. So if the bear market attacks, so you must always have a backup. It's not always the end of days just because it's a bear market. After all, it's just a market.
So, are you saying the bear market is just a phase that is gonna pass? It's just that period, that painful period that's much needed before the good times.
Yeah, that's why we're seeing crypto on the downward spiral all across the entire year. Everybody knows about it, and so here we are here to discuss if the crypto market can recover for the year 2023. Year 2022 is almost over. We're heading for December. In fact, today is the last day of November. Tomorrow is December. In other words, 2023 is around the corner. So can crypto recover from that where it is right now? I see a bull market because we've been hammered to the point that people even believe that the crypto would be going as far low as 10,000 per crypto. But it can still happen because there's still a month left. But let's see what happens if there would be any changes taking place.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV, where we discuss the financial market, starting from the cryptocurrency market, the forex market, and the stock market as well. So, yes, rest assured, all the information that you're looking for can be found here. Only what you have to do now is that just share this live broadcast to your friends. Just share it and do greet us. Say something on the comment section. Say where you're watching this live broadcast from. Say your area, your state, your country. If you're outside South Africa, I know we've got international people here. So, yes, I understand also it's around World Cup. World Cup is happening now, and of course people are glued much of their times on the screens watching the World Cup. This is something in addition to add spice on what you're watching, guys. As much as you are watching the World Cup, you can always learn about how to trade, how to make money, because those people who are on the field, they are also making a lot of money. So you also need to sharpen your skills in the markets. Welcome back. Welcome, everyone. Let's get started. Let's get moving. What do you have for us, Tony, today?
Well, we are looking at the crypto market. The main topic today, of course, can crypto recover in the year 2023? We are looking into the future. But first, let's do some analysis. But, there's been, of course, news first that we need to share on the crypto market, especially since crypto started this entire year 2022. First, the interest rates. Okay, look at here in this chart. The first bear market that we experienced, which was last year November, you can see this is a monthly chart. So every candlestick presents 1 month this chart, 1 month this candlestick, 1 month this candlestick, 1 month this candlestick. So as you can see, there's been a downturn. It is because of such people like this guy here, who has happened to have handled things quite carelessly in the world of crypto. The founder of FTX, or the main man of FTX, everybody knows him, Beckman Fried. So this one was the biggest one because crypto at this point we were supposed to be looking to be going up, not going further down, because already interest rates has hit us, Jacksonville Symposium, and all these kind of things. Now comes an unfortunate time where companies like FTX are filing for bankruptcy, and other crypto asset companies are also filing for bankruptcy due to the fact that they have a link with FTX and Sir Beckman Fried. And apparently, Beckman Fried is also a member or affiliated with most US congressmen, the politicians, the same ones that would speak against the development of cryptocurrencies. But this man here in FTX, since they have fallen and because they've handled things carelessly, and that has caused this bear market that we are currently seeing. But crypto has been able to hold a very strong balance. Right now, crypto 16,851 per coin. But there is hope that there is a new regulations that have been put in place, sort of like to bring trust into investors, because after people saw the situation of the FTX, people lost trust, people were selling out, people were pulling out their funds. Some people lost money, billions. People who were invested with FTX and they were hoping to get their retirement funds uh, due to the fact that they were also connected with FTX. They have lost their money. Most people who are waiting for their retirement funds will have to see them at a major decrease, which is not a good thing. This is in places like Canada and other teachers that were invested in crypto and with the link with FTX. Now, this has shaken, obviously, the legislation part of the of the market. So lawyers see crypto regulation coming in 2023, which is something agent,
But tell me
after what has.
something. Do you think the regulation is much needed in the space so that we can have big investors coming with some big funds just because they will be protected by the legalities?
Yes, that is what yes, it does bring positive news, because once people see that, okay, now there's not careless handling of funds, people can regain trust. But it's still going to be a process, because still, even though regulators are still human beings, but they still want to see a clear picture of, like, really being being put into confidence. So they need to have that confidence to say, okay, showcase, we can start buying or start stepping into the crypto market and start buying some cryptos or so. But it says that despite an uneven year in the crypto markets, many market participants are unperturbed about the long-term health of the sector, and say that the legal frameworks in 2022 could restore trust in the industry. So it's all about restoring that trust that has been lost by the by investors. So restoring that trust, yet again, still, it's gonna be a process forward.
All right.
So
Just to cut in
2023
there,
could be a good year.
just to cut in there, when do you think the market will start moving up? Because I understand currently it's still down, and of course, this is the best time for people to look for good projects, to look for those high performing, or must I say, potential projects that when the market start moving up or when the bull market start intensifying, those projects will actually give them 10x, 20x, 100x, 1000x in the good times.
Mm. I mean, like, I'm looking at the indicator relative strength index. At this point in time, the relative strength index is standing at 40. So you do know that 30 and below is oversold. So that's how strong the crypto has fallen. So crypto is cheap enough. It doesn't have to go as far as $10,000 per coin. It's not like before, whereby you need to wait until it hits like your 3,000K in order for you to start buying crypto. Crypto from where it was, okay, like let's say for example, from where it was, from 21 November till this year December, this is January, from where it was at the beginning of the year last year, it was $48,000 per crypto, and all the way going down to 16,000. Here I see some kind of a harmonic pattern. Anytime soon, crypto can start picking up in the later days of December and going towards January. Maybe we'll see just a little bit of a bear market. Like, you know what, man? Even these guys who say that the crypto might go to 10,000 rand, well, I don't blame them. Looking at the situations that are happening, Backman Fried, who anticipated that? Nobody predicted that FTX would be such, because FTX was a well respected entity in the crypto market. Beckman Fried is a well known crypto crypto person, and CZ himself turned his back on him. You can see how severe the situation was. So anything can happen. But let us hope that for the sake of those who are still holding on to their coins, can have to see the days where things start rising up again. But me, I do predict a positive outcome out of this whole situation.
All right, no, Christopher, we are live here at Empire Crypto TV, guys. We are back with the bank talking cryptocurrencies, forex market, and the stock market, the whole financial markets, guys. This is the right place. This is home where you can learn everything. If you have got some questions, you can write them on the comment section. And of course, guys, do not forget to register on Bitrue. This is an exchange which is where you can trade your cryptocurrencies, where you can trade your futures, derivatives. It's a big exchange, guys, so you can register there. Once you register and verify your account, you get 100 US dollars for free, which is a trial fund, and then you can stake that money or do anything on the platform with that money. So register on Bitrue. I've sent the link on the comment section. Register on the platform and get started. We are still talking about the bear market, but there is a positive out of this bear market. The positive is that this is the best time to buy. This is the best time to look for projects that will 10x, 100x, 1000x in the next bull market. They say that millionaires, billionaires are born during the winter season. They are born during the bad times, during these disaster times. That's when they are born. This simply translate that during the bad times, that's when there are good opportunities, but you need an eye of an eagle to see those opportunities, to say, you know what, this is the best time to really get into this market, get into this asset class, and then start accumulating. What do you say about that, Stone? Do you think this is the best time to get into the market, or the market is still going down? People must wait.
There is a situation happening in China. COVID is back in China, and people are being told that there will be new restrictions that will be implemented for COVID. Everybody knows that COVID restrictions are not a good deal. They limit people from a lot of things. So there's been major protests taking place across China, and uh, this has been like the latest bear trend in the market. It also affected crypto, not only crypto, also Dow Jones and other asset-backed. And on the other side, the dollar became strong because of these circumstances. So until this situation subsides, because it was also unpredictable. Likewise, the situation with Bankman Fried, and now we have this situation where China is at a situation where they are protesting, and it's also affecting the market in a very negative way. Not only just crypto, but also Dow Jones and other assets across the world having, because China, remember, is the second largest economy in the world. So the economic activity in China does affect several points across the world. And now you can imagine that if everyone in China goes to protest across the country, production is limited. Bank workers are gone out. So business. So when China is not in business, as the second largest economy in the world, you can imagine United States going on the protest all across. It can affect um, the major part of business. So until that side subsides, until those kind of issues are settled, uh, then we can just see a smooth growth and see if how positive things are. And of course, the wars that are taking place and sanctions that have been put against Russia, yeah, they have affected the market. But the one that affected the market the most is the one in China. Until that situation subsides, then we can start seeing a strong market. And after a strong market, then we can start speculating on uptrends in terms of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies.
All right, all right, all right. No, great stuff. These are the news, guys. Let me quickly share this screen. Um, All right, like I said, guys, you ought to register on Bitrue, and then there are some prizes to be won. You can share up to 100,000 USDT in this World Cup. It's called World Cup Mystery Box, where you just have to open and then you win. So only what you have to do: register on Bitrue. It's a crypto exchange. Register there and start doing the task. Once you have done the task, you'll be in a position to win. If you've never won anything in your life, this is an opportunity for yourself to win something which is brought to you by Bitrue, which is a cryptocurrency exchange platform. All right. It's Do not forget also to subscribe on our channel, Empire Crypto TV, so that whenever we go live, you get that notification that we are back with some financial news. Until then, we are back again on Friday. Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night.
Super.